Have you seen the question number 4, Hussain?
Yes.
Okay, can you read the question?
Yes.
Question number 4.
Which of the following is the solution set for?
So we have given that 2x over 5 positive 6 less than equal to x positive 10, right?
Yes.
First of all, 6 move to this side. So 2x over 5 less than equal to x positive 10 negative 6. Yes or no?
Yes. So it's just
Then-
plus 4.
So 2x over 5 less than equal to x positive 4. Then x move to this side. So it will become 2x over 5 negative x less than equal to 4. Yes or no?
Yes.
If we find the LCM, if you find the LCM, so you can say that the LCM will be 4, 1 or 5, right? So we should write 2x as it is negative, we should write negative 5x less than equal to 4. Yes or no?
Yes. I'm confused on this part.
Okay.
Over like here.
So whenever you see that kind of questions, always do the one thing. 1 multiplied by 2x, you will get 2x. And 5 multiplied by x, it will become negative 5x, and multiply the denominators. Okay? What do you say? For example, look at this. If I say 1 over 3 positive 5 over 2, right? So 2 multiplied by 1, you will get 2. 3 multiplied by 5 is going to be 15 over 6. That is going to be 17 over 6, right?
Yes.
So we apply the same method here, which 2x negative 5x over 5 less than equal to 4. Right now, you have no doubt, right?
Yes.
Okay, then 2x negative 5x become negative 3x over 5 less than equal to 4. Yes or no?
Yes.
Then 5 multiplied by here, 5 multiplied by here. So 5 cancel out 5. So that means negative 3x less than
Negative
equal
3x equal to 20. I mean, less than or equal.
And you know that whenever you multiply or divide by a negative number, we should switch the inequality sign, right? That means less than equal to greater than equal to. So negative 3 divided by negative 3. So negative 3 negative 3 cancel out. This sign will be converted into greater than equal to x greater than equal to negative 20 by 3. Make sense? Can make no sense? So I think
Yes.
option B is the right answer. If you follow the inequality rule, if whenever you multiply or divide by a negative number, you should switch the inequality sign. Yes or no?
Yes.
Any question?
Um.
Okay, have you write it down?
No, let me write it.
Okay, yeah.